the guardians of the storybook. Deep in the heart of the Magic Kingdom, nestled within a gleaming tower of gold and silver, sat the Great Storybook. Its pages shimmered with the magic of countless fairy tales, each one carefully preserved through time. The book's golden spine sparkled under the warm glow of enchanted candles, its magic pulsing like a gentle heartbeat through the realm. One peculiar evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon and stars began to twinkle in the twilight sky, something strange began to happen. The Great Storybook's pages started to flutter, as if caught in an invisible wind. Sparkles of magic drifted upward from its pages, carrying with them the very essence of the stories themselves. In an instant, the magical realm transformed. The once vibrant kingdoms began to fade, their colors washing away like watercolors in the rain. In Atlantica, Ariel's voice vanished, without a trace. In Beast's castle, the enchanted rose wilted and crumbled. Across the bayou, Tiana's restaurant disappeared as if it had never existed at all. As the magic continued to unravel, 6 shimmering lights emerged from the Great Storybook. They soared through the sky, seeking out the princesses whose stories were beginning to fade. The lights carried an ancient message. The princesses had been chosen as guardians of the storybook, tasked with protecting the magic that kept their tales alive. The princesses gathered in the tower, drawn together by the mysterious lights. They watched in horror as more pages began to vanish from the book, leaving behind nothing but empty spaces where their adventures had once been written. A shadow darted between the pages, quick as a whisper, leaving trails of darkness in its wake. Together they discovered that someone was deliberately erasing their stories, changing the very fabric of their worlds. Without these tales, their kingdoms would forget the magic that made them special. Already they could feel the changes taking hold, their friends forgetting their adventures, their magical companions losing their enchantments, and their own memories beginning to blur at the edges. But the Great Storybook had chosen them for a reason. Each princess possessed a unique strength that, when combined with the others, could restore the magic to their lands. They would need to work together, traveling between their different realms to recover their lost stories and discover who was behind this mysterious threat. As they stood before the fading book, its remaining pages glowing with a warm golden light, the princesses made a solemn promise. They would become the guardians of the storybook, protecting not just their own stories, but the magic that connected all their worlds together. Little did they know that somewhere in the shadows, watching with eyes that held both malice and pain, lurked a forgotten character whose own story had been erased long ago. This mysterious figure had waited countless years for this moment, carefully plotting their revenge against the magical realm that had forgotten them. As the first stars appeared in the evening sky, the princesses began their quest to save their stories. Their first mission would take them to the depths of the ocean, where Ariel's voice had vanished, and with it, her dream of becoming human. The fate of all their tales now rested in their hands, and their greatest adventure was about to begin.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.